If you have Pectus Excavatum and it's getting you down, you're terrified to take off your shirt in front of people and you don't feel confident in your body, but you don't want to have the surgery, then I have the solution for you. The 2024 Pectus Transformation Challenge. My name is PectusPT and I'm the world's only Pectus specialized trainer. And right now I'm taking on client spots for this challenge. I will be your personal coach and I will give you workout programs that are targeted specifically for your pectus so you can finally overcome this condition. You will build key muscles like the chest, the abs, the obliques, and we will open your posture so you make your pectus look half as noticeable. The 2024 Pectus Transformation Challenge is the perfect time to start your pectus transformation because firstly, my coaching is half price for it. Secondly, you can win another year of coaching for free. You will also become part of a community group of other pectus warriors who are overcoming their condition with exercise. And most importantly, the program's proven to work. I've helped hundreds of other people with Pectus Excavatum overcome their condition with my training. So if you want to overcome your pectus this year, then go to my website, fixpectus.com. First step will be to book a strategy call with me so I can meet you personally and determine the right approach for you to overcome your pectus. Because this program, this challenge is actually one-to-one coaching and I will be assigning you a program that's fitted to you, your pectus and who you are. The strategy call with me normally costs $49, but as a further promotion for this challenge, I've reduced it down to $24 to celebrate 2024. And this cost is also credited towards the coaching. Spots are limited because I do personally coach each client and spend a lot of time with my clients to make sure they get this transformation. So if you want to get in, be quick, go to my website and I'll meet you soon.